Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Oyi Martin. Today's video I'm going to share with you these tips that dentists will never show you using my ginger, 1 inch of ginger. Okay, I'm actually slicing it now. I'll peel out the back of this ginger. I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. Once I'm done peeling out the back of this particular one I'm holding, I will as well peel the other one. This ginger is an antibacterial agent. It has an antibacterial agent. Okay, it reverses cavities and heals tooth decay. That's why it's super good for tooth decay because of its antibacterial agent. So I'm gonna create my ginger now with my creator. I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. I'm actually creating my ginger now. I'll create all. Okay, this ginger is super good because of its antibacterial properties. So I'm done creating. The next thing I'm gonna do is to bring out my barrel, which I'm gonna turn it inside and transfer the created ginger inside. Here is my salt. Okay, my salt, this salt helps to get rid of infections in the gums. Okay, it also fastens and removes toxins buried deep in your teeth. It contains essential minerals that strengthen teeth and gum. It also cleanses toxins inside your blood vessel. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1/4 of my teaspoon, my salt. Okay, and this is my lemon. I actually divided the lemon into two, so I'm gonna squeeze out the juice. Okay, so I'm still checking the spoon, it's too big, so I'm gonna use my teaspoon. Okay, so I'll squeeze the juice out. This lemon juice detoxifies the teeth. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of this lemon juice. It helps to get rid of other pathogens that have been embedded in your teeth. So I'm gonna take the seed out. Okay, and it's only the juice, the water that I needed, which I've actually added to my tablespoon. Is half tablespoon. I'm supposed to use my teaspoon, so using my tablespoon is still the same because it's half tablespoon. So I'm gonna mix all well, which is my ginger, my lemon, and mix it well with the salt so that it will be thoroughly mixed. So now that I'm done mixing, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure I mix it thoroughly. Okay, I'll keep on mixing it because this solution needs to be mixed very well so that once being applied to my teeth, it will give me what I want. Okay, so I'm gonna use my toothbrush, okay, to show you. This toothbrush is clean toothbrush, so you collect the mix from the toothbrush. Okay, and you make sure that your teeth is neat as my hand. So I'm gonna use my hand to show you how you brush. Okay, I'm sure you've seen the way I'm using it. So I actually immerse my brush inside my mixture. So once I'm done brushing, after 2 minutes, look at the way you'll be brushing. You brush everywhere so that you make sure everything gives you what you want. Hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe, like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends, and also drop your comments below, I mean down. Okay, you've seen the results, so that's how you're gonna brush. You make sure you thoroughly brush it. Thanks very much for seeing my video. Love you guys all, as I look forward to seeing your comments very soon. Bye bye.